So listen very carefully. You have several felony convictions out of Louisiana. Okay, so if just one of those is true, then your punishment range in this case, if you're found guilty, becomes that of a first-degree felony instead of a second. So that means it would be from 5 years minimum up to 99 years or life if there's one prior conviction. You understand? Answer out loud. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay. If there's 2 prior felony convictions that happened, not all of the, I know there were several that happened at the same time, right? But I'm not sure, but it looks like there might be another set that happened later. If that is true, and there are 2 that happened at different times, then it means you could be considered a habitual offender here in Texas. And if that all is true and you're found guilty, then your minimum punishment is 25 years in prison up to 99 years or life. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And it looks like what the state has offered, if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty, would be to go on count 1, which is just the offense that you're charged with now, for an 8-year term in prison. You have every right to reject that and have your case go to a jury, let them decide if you're guilty or not, and then let them decide your punishment, depending on what they find on those priors. I just want to make sure you understand what your options are if you wanted to plead guilty for that 8 years and what your possible consequences are if you go to trial. Do you understand all of that? Okay, and do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial?
Yeah, I want to reject.
Okay, and I do want to make sure you understand, Ms. Smith, that after today, unless there is new information or evidence that comes up that the attorneys don't know about at this time, I will not accept this plea agreement after today. So if you change your mind, it's not going to be to the 8 or something less later. It's going to be something different. Once a case goes on my trial docket, it goes to trial. So it's not we're buying time to try to get some better deal. This is the deal. That's fine that you don't want to take it. I do want to make sure.
I mean, I haven't, so I can't think on it and come back.
You can think on it and come back next week.
Okay, that's fine.
1 week, you'll leave it open?
Yes, Your Honor, I'll leave it open for recess.
You have to decide by next week, knowing all of that. Nothing's going to change between now and then. So now you know everything. Think about it. Talk to any family members that you need to. We'll have you brought back next week and you can decide, okay? I'm going to delete this rejection. If y'all do it again, you'll have to do it again.